everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going out to a little party this afternoon and I've always got this straight hair which I thought I'll do something a little bit different with. I'll try and give it some waves. So what I do first is I just give it a comb through, and if you notice I'm using afro comb, and I always use an afro comb on my hair because it is a little bit frizzy. If I brush it, it just goes even more frizzy, so the afro comb really does help to keep it less frizzy. People might think it's really weird and they always say to me, why don't you brush your hair? But I have very frizzy hair anyway and it's quite curly if I don't straighten it, so I use this afro comb and it helps stop the frizz. So what I do is I just part my hair from the back, bring it forward, and I take a little section starting at the back and then I curl it around the hair with my curling wand. So I'm using the thickest part of the wand because I don't actually want to create a full curl. I just want these sort of beachy type waves. So I let that get hot. And then what I do is I let it fall into my hand like this and hold it there to let it cool down, and then just release it down like that, and I leave that and carry on working on the rest of the hair. I'll show you again. So just take your curling wand, wrap your hair around it and hold it while it gets hot to create the curl, and then let it just fall into your hand and hold it there until it cools down, and you should have a nice wave and curl. And carry on then just working around the rest of the hair. These little bits here which I do last, it's kind of my fringe bit, and I just do them like this, let them fall like that. And this bit here, I don't spend too long on them because they curl the quickest and I don't really want a very tight curl on them. You can see it's gone quite curly, and I just take my afro comb and run it through all the hair just to comb it out, and then I'll put a little bit of serum in the palm of my hand, rub it around and just run it through the waves, and then just scrunch your hair all up like this, make it look a little bit messy, get a little bit of big hair. I just run my fingers through like this to lift it. That's my wavy hair done. This is what it looks like from the back. So it's a bit different, and I'm ready to go out to that little party now, and it doesn't look limp and lank anymore, so I'm quite happy with it. I use the Babyliss curling wand, and I quite like this one because it's a bit thicker at one end and quite slim at the tip, and you can get different kinds of curls. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a really lovely weekend. I'm off to my party now, so enjoy yourself, and thank you for watching. I shall see you next time.